Hello YouTube and welcome back to the Robbie Bobby channel. I'm indeed your host Robbie Bobby, and today we're taking a look at the Fast and Furious Dodge Charger. This is the Fast and Furious build from DeAgostini, which is the same company that brought you R2-D2 and the one above me, which is the Millennium Falcon, which is an absolute dream. Okay, so I picked this in the store today. It's for 99p pence for all those that don't know what a P is. Now, the first couple of issues are like 99p or £1.99, and then it goes up to like £4 or £5, and then they get you. Okay, so this is the Fast and Furious build. We're going to take a look at it right now. The next issue is we're going to be dealing with the tire, which is going to be $4.99. Okay, the length of the car is 65.8 centimeters. The width is 24.4 centimeters, and the height is 18.1 centimeters. Weighing approximately 8.3 kilograms. Okay, he's bold just like... It probably passes Vin Diesel's younger brother called Vin Unleaded. Leaders. Okay, so without further ado, let's go onto the table and get this thing open and see what we actually got here. Okay, so there we go. That is the magazine, everybody. Oh, by the way, I know I did the weathering of the teeth, but I did a little bit more weathering to it. And I have to say, I do like it like that. We're not here to talk about the Terminator. Okay, so this is the magazine that comes with the iconic card build, which is a week-by-week build from DeAgostini, and I can imagine you take about 2 years to build, is it? Okay, so this is issue 1, and of course it goes into the subscription, which is the tire. We don't need that right now. It goes into a little bit about the car, and here are the instructions, which is very clear, very basic. I think we can get through this. What else have we got? We have got another magazine. It usually comes out as a fold-out size scale. Okay, so this is going to be the scale of the actual model, and as you can see, it's going to be freaking huge. This is to scale, so what you see on the paper is basically going to be the size of the car. I'm a bit hesitant to do this because I'm doing so much. I'm waiting for the X-Wing still, and I'm still doing the Terminator build. Now in here, it tells you the free gifts, because if you subscribe, you always get exclusive free gifts. Gift 1, you get a set of 3 posters for the vehicles. Very nice. You obviously get a binder for all of the magazines to put in, but honestly, I throw out all the binders at the end of the build. I just find that they gather space. And you get a free mug. You get a Fast and Furious power bank. I might take a look at that because I need one, I think. Now this is quite interesting. You get a backpack. Cool. You can never have enough backpacks. I'm still waiting for a zombie apocalypse. It will happen. Okay, and now these are the parts that you'll be dealing with this week. So let's have a look. Sorry about the squeak. It's stuck with tape. Crap. Okay, half of the parts are on the floor, which is not a good start. Where is that now? Okay, to be honest, I don't know what parts I'm missing. Hopefully I'm not missing anything. It's just an illusion of the eye. Okay, so if we take the hood of the car, this is the first part, and we take the plastic piece, we just simply put that on top like thus, and screw that in with the AM screw. Slide a few screws out. Okay, so that is the hood of the car. So what is next? Okay, so this piece right here, I don't know if you can pick it up on the camera. I'll probably pick it up and put it in my hand. Okay, this piece right here is known as the 1C, and that is going to go, if you face this one, this is going to go on the left-hand side of the, almost called it a beaver. You want to put it on this hand side of the butterfly. So you just want to push that in, and I think that's it. You got the remaining two, which goes on the opposite sides. So there's got to be something like that one, but there you go. You got the two little indentation dots facing horizontally upwards. So it should look like that, and that looks cool. Okay, so we got lots to do, so let's get busy and finish this part. Okay, so we take the rest of the engine, I suppose, and we just, sorry, not the engine, it's the EFI distributor. Okay, so now you have this little clog piece here, and you just hook that up to the engine there, just like that, using the AP screw, and you should be okay. So we take these two sides and we just line it up against each other, and we just push them into the pegs, and they should fit in. They should fit in. They should fit in. What the heck? Okay, that was a bit tricky to get in, but it should look like that, and that's looking really cool, guys. It's all plastic. There's no metallic to it, so which is a bit of a shame, but I can understand that because it's going to be heavy the more metal we have on it. So I think that is issue 1 complete. Man, that's going to look so cool. There you go, and that is issue 1 of Dom DeLuise vehicle. What's his name? Vin Diesel. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please let me know in the comments down below what you guys actually think. Are you thinking about getting a build? Let me know in the comments. Issue 1. I don't know if I'm going to be able to complete this, guys, to be honest, because like I said, I've got the X-Wing coming, and the Terminator is still being built. Anyway, guys, join me next week when I'll be doing more builds and more unboxings and more geeky stuff. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Anyway, guys, until the next video, Robbie Bobby signing out.